unless we change the way we operate, we're not going to be along for too much longer.
Trailblazers, identifying circular economy trailblazers. And one of the things they did, and they said circular economy trailblazers were brilliant at, was they were brilliant at storytelling.
We try our best to be as sustainable as we can, where we reuse, recycle, rehash, and put focus on trying to be as environmentally sensitive as we can. Also, we've started delivering coffee in tubs for some of our larger customers, so there's no packaging at all.
The circular economy process can be an evolving journey.
As Owen, who sat in the front here, might quote, his quote that I often use is, waste is just poor design. So we've got to stop thinking about waste, and that was the point you made earlier on, and think byproduct.
The oil spill mats, there's no manufacture costs apart from labour. So all those companies that are spending money manufacturing polypropylene and all that, they could just be using this hair that people happily donate, and there's masses of. You can actually compost the entire thing. But I have had a few people talking to me about using bioremediation. So you like growing fungi out of the oil, and that will like basically compost the oil, and you can kind of take the mats back, cover a field with them, grow the fungi out of it, and it will compost the entire thing.
The concept of waste does not exist in the circular economy. It's just it's a human construct. We've created the waste. It doesn't exist in nature, so it shouldn't exist in what we're trying to develop in circularity.